Hi, welcome to Rate My Gadget, and I'll show you how to put up the Komplement IKEA rail. So let's see how you do it. So it comes with 4 screws. If you can't find them, they'll be hidden in the tube itself. But to be honest, you don't need the tube. First of all, what you need to do is you need to put these plastic clips up. And once you've put them up, then you can, with the pole, you can put the pole in afterwards. So if I show you. So what you'll need is what's called a crosshead screwdriver. I'll put a link to this, but you've probably got one somewhere in the house, hopefully. So a crosshead. Get the screws. Now, when you're putting the rail up, if you have a look, so inside your wardrobe or cupboard or shelves, you've got 3 holes. Okay, you want to put it into the middle one, and what you want to be doing is, in this instance, the holes are set slightly back. So what you're doing is you're putting it so it's that direction, not that direction. If you're putting it in that direction, it's pushing the rail that way. So you want to put it looking forward, okay? And in order to check that before you put it in, if you really want to, you could get a tape measure, but you'll be able to see it by eye. You can see this one, the holes are further back. So because the holes are further back, you're putting it there. And then all you simply do is you put the top one in first, I would recommend. So all you're doing, if you want to come around here, I'll show you. So all you're doing is putting it in that top hole until it just gives. So it just started to grip, okay? And then before, get it in there a little bit, don't get it fully tight. Okay. And then the bottom one, that screw, if I just lift it out so you can see, the screw there just lines up with the hole underneath it. Okay, all you do. So now what you need to do is, if you put the hanger, so in this case I've put the rail at the topmost point. You may, so for example, if there was a shelf here, you may be putting the hanger down here somewhere, for example. So what you want to be ensuring is that wherever you've put this one, you obviously put it on the same one here. To check, do a count from the top. In this instance it's 1, 2, so it's easy. But if you've put it somewhere down here, you just want to check, double check, and then screw it. If the worst comes to worst and you put it in and it is in the wrong place, it's not a problem. You can always take it out. So let me put it in, let me tighten it up, and then I'll show you how to put the rail in. You've put these both in, so these are both firm in now, okay? And what you want to do is the holes on the back of these clip into the back, and what you want to do is you want to make sure that you're happy with where these are, because once you clip this in, and all you're doing is putting the pole with those holes at the back there. Okay, now it's going to be difficult because you need to almost do it like put in one side in first. So I'll see if I can take that out. So you want to put one side in first, while the other one's there, like that, and then you do the other one like that, and then that's it. It's clipped in. That's the handrail. So let me just show you. So you put one side in first, and then you're trying to pull this side in. Okay, and it just clips in. I hope that's helped. Please like, please subscribe, leave questions at the bottom, and thanks for watching.